Choosing the wrong lawyer can cost you not just money but your case, your peace of mind and sometimes even your future. But how do you actually find the right lawyer for your needs? Today we will break down everything. What is a lawyer, how they are different from advocates and solicitors, their strengths and limitations, red flags to avoid and the exact checklist you must follow before hiring one. Stay tuned till the end because I will also share a simple litmus test to know if a lawyer truly matches your values and culture. What is a lawyer? A lawyer is a person who has studied law and is legally qualified to give advice, draft legal documents or represent clients. Not every lawyer argues in court. Some work in corporate law firms, compliance, tax advisory or research. Think of a lawyer as a trained legal professional, but their role depends on whether they have registered with the Bar Council or specialized further. Limitations of a lawyer: may not have rights of audience in court unless enrolled as an advocate. Some lawyers focus only on consultation, paperwork or drafting. Lack of specialization: just being a lawyer does not mean expertise in tax, corporate, criminal or family law. Advocate versus lawyer versus solicitor. Advocate: a lawyer who is enrolled with the Bar Council of India has right to appear and plead in courts, but cannot do litigation work at the scale corporate solicitors can. Lawyer: a broad term for anyone with a law degree, can advise, draft, research but not represent in higher court unless enrolled. Solicitor: common in UK but in India mainly used for corporate and transactional lawyers. Focus on drafting contracts, M&A, advisory work. Rarely appear in court but extremely valuable in complex commercial deals. In short, advocate is a courtroom warrior, solicitor is behind the scenes strategist, and lawyer is umbrella term for both. Advantages and limitations. Advocate is strong in litigation and courtroom presence. Limitation: may lack corporate advisory experience. Solicitor is excellent at transactions and corporate law. Limitation: not usually present in courtroom fight. General lawyer: flexible but may lack depth without specialization. Qualities of a good lawyer: strong communication and persuasion skill, in-depth knowledge of their specialization, transparent about fees, process and outcome. Ethical, respects confidentiality, responsive and proactive, does not disappear after payment. Red flags: overpromising results, avoid giving things in writing, does not explain legal jargon simply, unreasonable or hidden fees, poor track record or client review. Matching ethics and culture: your lawyer should align with your values. Example: if you need a clean tax strategy, avoid a lawyer suggesting unethical loopholes. If you need family law help, your lawyer should understand the sensitivity of the matter and not just the law. A mismatch in ethics leads to constant conflict and loss of trust. So the next time you hire a lawyer, don't just look at their degree or flashy office. Check if they are an advocate or solicitor. Understand their limitations, look for key qualities, avoid red flag and most importantly, see if their ethics align with yours. This one decision can literally decide the outcome of your case. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to Pocket Tax Lawyer for more sharp, practical legal insights.